I just filmed a video about giving your agent eyes and doing stuff. And one of the things I talked about was this debug snapshot feature that I think is super essential. Turns out I should have been doing this sooner because I can see immediately once it actually connected it. Um, I had Jim go in and fix this. This issue was broken. I'm working on a dangerous spider app, and I have an object detector and I have an object uh, classifier. So the detector basically will spit out a rectangle of where the spider is. The classifier will take that and say something about it. In this case, I've got a image quality classifier, so it's good or bad, so that I know if I should even try and classify a spider. Turns out the reason I've been noticing that if I just frame step, so I'll just use the arrow keys to frame step in this video, my classification goes all over the place. And I should have done this sooner, but I did not have output into actually what is, and I don't know if this is accurate yet, but here's the frame. Here is the crop detection 1. Here's the classified quality detection 1. Here's the classified species detected 1. Do you see a problem here? I do. So it is classifying on half a spider. This is this is probably why it doesn't match anything, because I was manually taking these frames over and trying to classify them. So let's take this one and see what core create ML does. So let's go into our thing here. Oh, I can't copy and paste. I have to drag and drop. Okay, so 67% confidence that it's good, 33% confidence that it's bad. So let's look at the first frame. It still doesn't match. Like, I don't know. Let's check out which model we're using. It's now connected to use the new model that I just trained yesterday. Still no dice. But it's really concerning that this doesn't match my crop. Here's my crop. Why is this not getting fed in? I don't know. Um, except that my previous code path was really flaky and I don't trust the AI. Um, so I need to go back to square one and get to the bottom of this, because now I have something where I can be like, okay, these don't match. Okay, so these crops for the classified and the crop detect one do not match what I'm expecting. We have a fundamental problem here. I need to understand why the classified crops is totally wrong. Let's look at the analysis.json. Let's look at the metadata.json. Metadata.json should have like where we expect this crop to be. I still think it's off based on what the CreateML app shows me, but our current logic in the debug snapshot looks a little bit better than what you've just given me for our internal pipeline. I don't know if I can trust the output images that you've given me. They could be totally wrong, and they're not being what's fed in. But if they're actually being fed in like this, it's definitely not going to work because the spider is not in the bounding box. We are looking at half a spider. Okay, so I have just talked to it using Whisper Flow. So this is an app up top. This allows me to talk. I just hold the function or global key on the keyboard and I can talk to it, send a message. This is Jim. I'm working with Jim right now on the code. And I I previously had them hook up a debug snapshot. I had them enhance it. For some reason, they didn't connect it to the user interface. So I was like, what's the point of all the work you just did? Now this button works again. Um, I can take a snapshot. I can reveal it in Finder. I can copy it so that I can share it with the agent. Super useful. And then I just paste it over to the agent to look at this stuff. Oh, I forgot to give them the stuff. So let's and just do this. And we'll interrupt him just so he has all these files. And it looks like he was gonna look for this folder anyway because this isn't a standard folder. My agent knows that it's in the documents folder that he puts all these snapshots. So hopefully he can get to the bottom of it. But this is like the power of giving your agents eyes. So I just did a whole talk. I have this other app. I actually built this with the help of agents, but it was it was not using Codex or Claude Code. This is before all that. Um, and this is my slideshow that you saw in the previous video. So that's a cool little tool that AI has helped me build. And like you can just talk to AI and you can make things. So this is my arachnid detector. This is basically a test harness for my models that I've been training, but my test harness is so flaky. We're gonna need to get to the bottom of it, and hopefully we're gonna see what's going on here, and they'll be able to fix it. So something I need to investigate more, but maybe we have a path forward. We'll find out. All right, so I hope this was useful. I will see you in the next video. Just talk to your agent, see what you can build, make tools, make dev tools. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can course correct as you go. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I will see you in another video. Thanks so much for watching.